So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can crop your videos online without using any software. Now in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, here I have to search for Clydio. Once I do that, a website will open which looks something like this. Here all you need to do is to just simply go to this option which is crop. If you don't find it, you can find it in all tools. Once you do that, just simply open this crop option. Here just simply upload the video file of which you want to crop, and the thing is you can follow the same step over any device, over your smartphone as well, and it works pretty well over any platform. Now all you need to do is to just simply wait for the file to get uploaded. Once the file uploaded, it may take some time depending upon your internet speed, and once the file gets uploaded, you will find the option to crop the video. Here you can see this example as well. There are multiple ratios available for you to crop your video in, and once you are satisfied with the changes, just simply hit export and save the video directly to your system. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.